A new day dawns, and yet another needle table inside a non-woven fabric manufacturing company prepares for a long and difficult day of maintenance. Only the bravest of workers can tackle the arduous task with indomitable spirit of sacrifice, heroic resignation, and archaic tools. The unfortunate incident does not remain ignored. Someone, somewhere, thanks to his super hearing, is already sprinting to render aid. It's a bird. It's a plane. It's NeedlyMat, the paladin of needleboards. Faster than any human, able to repair defective needles in a flash. NeedlyMat supports needle table maintenance for needle machines by identifying damaged or bent needles and replacing them in total autonomy. NeedlyMat has a simple multilingual user interface and is able to uniquely associate each operator with the tasks performed on each individual needle table. NeedlyMat can operate with all existing needleboard patterns on the market, has the ability to send data via the internet to a centralized processing system in accordance with the Industry 4.0 model. NeedlyMat performs needle analysis operation and replacement of damaged needles in record time. It manages the inventory of needle boards and needles, creates a comprehensive database of all operations performed in a given period, and assigns each board the unique NeedlyMat index, which identifies its health status. NeedlyMat makes it possible to rationalize the use of human resources dedicated to the maintenance of needleboards, improves working conditions, and makes the whole process a lot safer.